Hello! Today I've prepared a very favorite homemade dessert for you. Pumpkin crème caramel, delicate and aromatic. Let's get started. Ingredients needed: 1 kilogram pumpkin, boiled and cut into pieces, 1 liter of milk, 7 eggs, 1 cup of sugar, 8 tablespoons sugar for the caramel. Whisk the 7 eggs with 1 cup of sugar until the sugar is completely dissolved. Pour in the milk and mix until a smooth, homogeneous mixture forms. Caramelize 8 tablespoons of sugar. It's important not to stir the sugar. Only gently swirl the pan. Pour the prepared caramel into the baking dish you'll be using. Arrange the pieces of boiled pumpkin on top. Pour the pumpkin over with the egg and milk mixture. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius, 356 degrees Fahrenheit, without fan, no convection, until fully set and cooked through. The result is an extremely delicate and aromatic pumpkin crème caramel. If you liked the recipe, subscribe to the channel for more delicious ideas.